You're welcome once again. So this video, this content, this tutorial is gonna be a brief one. I recently posted a video on how you can claim your free 10 gigabyte data every month on this Windscribe VPN, right? And if you could remember, at the latter part of the video, I told you guys that I'll be updating you, making another adapt content, right, in which you can upgrade your 10 gigabyte to 30 gig, right? So incredible. So that's why I'm actually making this video. Okay, and let me quickly show you this. Sometimes you'll be using the VPN and you realize you are getting very slow connection on the internet. Let's say your internet speed might be running slow sometimes. So this is how you solve it. You see, whenever you open the app, itself suggests or gives you the best location at the moment. So if yours is running slow, all you got to do is to open the app and then click on this to turn it off. After that, just swipe this section downwards for it to refresh, right? And right after that, it will give you another best location. You can see there's a new location. You just click on best location and then it will be connected, right? So that was just by the way. Like, I just created this to help you speed up your internet connection. Yeah, so now let me show you how you can actually increase this guy right here, right, from 10 gigabyte to 30 gig per every month. Incredible. So you just click on the menu icon, right? I'm talking about this. Please, if you are a newcomer, if you are watching this video for the first time, make sure you go to the channel to watch the previous one I made, so that you get to know how to set up your account in order to receive the 10 gig on which you build upon to receive the 30 gig. So you click on the menu icon, or you click on the menu and then you select account, right? You select account. At this point, go to manage accounts, right? Manage accounts. So let's wait for this page to load. Guys, it's as simple as ABCD. On my channel, on this channel, I actually make videos on how to make money online, and also how to take advantage of new inventions, new apps, how to, at least how to make money or sustain your life on the internet. That's the reason why I created this channel, right? So at this point, all right, so at this point you scroll down and then click on claim voucher, right? You click on claim voucher, right? So you only need a code to enter, right? So just look into the description section of this very video. Please don't forget to like my video. Please don't forget to like my video. All right, so this is the code. Let me enter it. So you just enter this code and then you click on claim. I'll also leave it in the description section so you can also enter. So after you enter, you just I hope you can see it, right? Your account will be upgraded and then you get 30 gigabytes. So let's go back and check to see if it's really true. All right, guys, so this is the app, right? This is the app. Let's go back, and as you can see, I was having 9 plus you can see I'm now at 29.96. so for this month I have free 30 gig to use, right? Instead of buying data bundle here and there, I think this might help you. So please like the video. Please just click on the like button, right? Please drop a positive comment for the Smart Money AI community. See you another time with another incredible video. This Stanley One once again. Bye bye.